How to create digital business card in Canva. Here is a concise guide on how to create a digital business card using a popular tool Canva in just a few minutes. Creating a digital business card can be a great way to share your content information easily and efficiently. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to create a digital business card. So all you have to do first is open your web browser and dive into canva.com. This is the home page. Here we have Canva home. Here we have design spotlight, business, education, as you can see. So about design spotlight, we have visual documents. As you can see, we have visual sites, docs, presentation, whiteboards, PDF. We have photos and videos, video editor, YouTube video, photo editor, photo collage, print. We have business cards, invitation. We have mags, t-shirts, marketing. We have logos, posters, flyers, brochures, social media, websites. Also we have browse Canva templates, choose from thousands of free ready to use templates. Magic Studio also, we have all the power of place. Then we have business. As you can see, we have first Canva Enterprise, Canva Teams, Contact Sales. About business solutions, we have marketing, creatives, agencies, sales, communications, real estate, small and medium businesses, startups, franchises, or business solutions. Also, you can click over here to know about business solutions. Then we have use case, content creation, visual communication, brand management, team collaboration, asset management, brainstorm. What resources we have: business resources, case students, studies, features, integration and maps, security. Then here we have what will you design today. Canva makes it easy to create and share professional designs. All I have to do is start designing here. Click over here if you want. We have here docs, posters, resumes, logos, whiteboards, presentations, social, videos, websites, Instagram posts, brochures, photo editor. So we have also a perfect fit for everyone. Canva free, Canva Pro, and Canva Team. So it's free. The first one is for person, the second one for person, the last one is for team. Then we have here trusted by well-known companies, as you can see. Then we have create with AI. We define the way you create with Magic Studio or sites of AI-powered tools that generate copy in your brand voice with Magic Write and transform your photos with Magic Edit. Then we have design with others, invite friends and family to design with you, or set your whole team up to work together. Our collaboration features let you comment and work in real life on presentations, whiteboards, talks, videos, or the birthday party planning. Then we have templates for absolutely anything. Customize an office templates or design something more personal like an invitation. As you can see here, we have an invitation here. You can choose the one you want. Then we have the plan that get down to businesses, empower everyone to design together with Canva Teams. Here we have AI powered efficiency, leverage first EA to create a brand copy, templates and video edition. Then we have bring your brand in-house, serve print kits and templates for your team to design with. Then we have beautiful approval flows, easily control individual permissions, assign tasks and share your works. We are full of surprises. Here are some of our best treats you might know to know about. First, we have got apps marketplace. I've got Distro app, desktop app, then business love us. We make presenting easy also. So all you have to do to sign up is click over here and write your email here and continue. You can also choose other options like continue with Apple, continue with Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Clever, and email. As you can see, the work email, and you can also log in with mobile phone. Then if you have an account, all you have to do is click over here and find your account. Sorry. So if you want to research about some things, all you have to do is type in here or write in what you want. So here is some steps to creating a digital business card. So first we have choose a platform or application. Select a platform or application. There are several apps and platforms available for creating digital business cards such as Canva, for example. Step 2, we have sign up or log in. Create an account or log in. If you are using an app, download it from your app store and create an account. You log in if you already have one. Then step 3, we have select a template. Browse templates first. Most platforms offer a variety of templates. Choose a template that fits your brand or personal style, then select a template. Click on the template to start customizing it. Step 4 is customize your digital business card. First, we have add your logo. Upload your company logo. Most platforms will have an option to add an image or logo. Then enter your information. Include your name, job title, company name, phone number, email address, website, and any other relevant information. Then customize the design, change colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand. Most platforms allow you to drag and drop elements to create design you like. Then add social media links, include icons and links to your social media profiles to make it easy for people to connect with you online. Then we have step 5, save and export. Preview your card first before finalizing. Preview your digital business card to make sure everything looks good. Then save your card, save your design. Most platforms will save your card and your account for future edits. Then export your card. Export your digital business card as a PNG, JPEG, or PDF file. Some apps also allow you to share your card via a QR code. Then the last step is share your digital business card via email. Attach your digital business card to your email signature so that every email you send includes your contact information. Then via social media also, share your digital business card on your social media profile or send it directly to your contact. Then we have also via QR code. If your platform provides a QR code, you can print it on physical materials or display it digital for others to scan and save your contact information. By following these steps, you can create a professional and a catchy digital business card that you can easily share with others in a variety of ways. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.